Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you a tour of Lady Musgrave Road. That is a proven center that recently opened on the right. Now this road is to be upgraded to a 4-lane road. It's going to be a dual carriageway that looks like Barbican Road or Constant Spring Road. Now if you notice though on the left how far in those fences are, that's because this road was always intended to be a 4-lane road. So it's going to be done under the CapEx program. East Kings House Road and Lady Musgrave Road will be upgraded to dual carriageways. Now, a lot of developments are taking place on this road. Proven just opened their facility on the left, and coming up on the right, you're going to see a massive plaza that's being built. And as we go further down, there are going to be some more commercial developments. On the right is the JUTC office or main office, and this is the plaza on the left now. And at the JUTC main office in Kingston, they are going to be setting up a bus terminal because JUTC is going to be operating from Kingston to Montego Bay, and so they are going to be renovating that facility. So that is the mall on the left, and you see how much space there is on the left and the right, how big those sidewalks are. That's for the road expansion. And this road is going to be expanded because Lady Musgrave Road now takes a right turn and goes all the way down to where it intersects with Old Hope Road. So we're going to show you three other massive developments that are taking place. And to the right of us is the New Kingston residential area. Signos is putting up a development. We're going to show it to you on the left. They've just started. And further down we have two commercial buildings going up. There is also a residential development further down, but it's not on Lady Musgrave Road. You have to turn off and go to that area. So we're going to basically show you everything that's happening here. Okay, so Lady Musgrave Road continues to the right now. And then coming up on the left, you're going to see some zinc, and that is where Signos is going to be putting up their development. Not sure if it's residential or commercial. If anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. Okay, so this is the AC Hotel now. It's up and running. And then straight ahead is Trafalgar 1. That is a 5-story commercial development, commercial space. And then to the left of it, as we take the corner, you'll see it is another development. At first you might think it's actually one big development. That's what a lot of people thought when they were being built, but it's two. So this one now, I think it's 45 LMR or 80 LMR, one of those two. That's a new trend now to name the roads after their address. So this is one building, a commercial building also, and there you can see the space between them and the second building. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.